everyone. Thank you so much for joining us again. This is video number 6, I think. I'm starting to lose count. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel for more. Angie is still loving these, so we will continue on as long as we can over the summer, or as long as I can make up activities that keep her entertained. Without much further ado, here's Angie.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Angelica, and I'm 4 years old. I'm going to tell them what I love to eat.
Okay, you can say whatever you want.
I like pizza, and for dessert, I like ice cream.
Wow, that's some good choices. So just so that you guys know, Angelica just woke up. And the first thing she said was, I want to do an activity. So that's why she's sitting on the computer to do an activity.
I'm not sitting on your computer.
Oh, no, what are you? You're not. What are you sitting on?
I'm sitting on a chair.
Okay, yeah. You are. You're absolutely right. Okay, you ready to get started?
Mommy.
Okay. You want to explain what this activity is about?
Yeah.
What do you have to do in this activity? Tell your friends.
It's about animals and fruit and
So, but what do you have to type? Letters. So it says right here, look at the picture, say the word. What letter do you hear at the beginning of the word? So say the word. What word is that?
Snake. I think I know what it is. It's this one.
What letter is that?
S.
S. Good job. Okay, that's great. So you got to say the word out loud. So what's the next word?
Pig. Pig starts with P.
Good.
You
hear a P at the beginning.
Because I didn't need to do P.
Okay. Because you knew?
Yeah, I already knew it.
Okay.
There. Is this a fox or something?
A fox? I don't know. Maybe. Keep going.
That goes ding, 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 ding.
Okay, keep going.
What is that one? Why does this have to be gray?
It's the color.
Strawberry. S.
Good job.
2 S's. Wait. This is black and that's black. This is a different darker pink, but it's a little bit lighter than the other light one. And this one's dark blue.
Cool.
So they're not the same.
No, it's a different color.
Mouse. M.
M. Good job. Mouse.
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 Mouse. F.
What word is that? That's an F?
No. Fish.
Fish. F. Good job. Okay, take a guess. What do you think that is? What do you think the picture is?
I don't think it's a fox anymore. I think it's a raccoon.
A raccoon? Okay.
Or maybe a human with 2 heads.
A human with 2 heads. Okay.
And not wearing a shirt.
And not wearing a shirt.
And wearing a diaper.
Okay. A human with 2 heads, not wearing a shirt, and wearing a diaper. Okay. What is that? What word is that?
Donut.
Donut.
Donut. Donut. Donut. Donut. Donut.
What letter do you hear? Donut.
Donut. O.
That does sound like an O, but what about at the beginning?
D.
Yeah, donut. D.
Like Danny.
Like Danny. Who's Danny?
My uncle.
Yeah. Say hi, Uncle Danny.
Hi, Uncle Danny. Cookie.
Cookie. Cookie.
Cookie. T.
No. Oh, okay. Try it. Oh, it didn't work.
Really?
Is it Tookie? Tookie?
Cookie.
Is that a T? It's a cookie.
Cookie.
K. What else starts with a K? Remember? Like, there you go. What letter is that?
Oh, this guy is wearing pants.
Oh, he is wearing pants. That's not a diaper.
No, I thought this was a diaper, but it's pants.
Okay, so do you have another guess now?
Is this a diaper?
I don't know.
I thought there was two heads, but it's one head. Actually, the heads are right here.
Okay.
And this is the nose.
Okay, keep going.
And there's eyes on the nose.
Keep going. What's that?
Tiger. T.
Yeah, that's a T. There we go. Oh.
I think this is Jasmine.
Oh, who's Jasmine?
From Aladdin.
Oh, okay. Maybe. We'll see.
We're so close to the end.
Yeah, what's that?
Bear.
Bear. Bear. Oh, I know Mama sounds like she's saying pear, but that's not a pear. It's a bear.
Bear. Pear.
Not pear.
M? Let's try
M.
M.
Okay.
Nope.
Mare.
Mare.
Mama. It's. I know it's hard for Mama because Mama has an accent. It's b. There you go. Bear. Bear. Good job.
Why does Jasmine have no eyes?
I don't know. Because she's missing the picture. What's that?
Book. B.
Again, a B.
Jasmine!
She's so pretty.
Jasmine, she's holding Aladdin's lamp.
Yeah, do you love her?
Yeah, I want to rub the lamp and see if a genie will come out. No genie come out.
No genie this time.
No genie. I want genie so I can make my 3 wishes.
Okay, I think it's time to say bye to your friends so we can go have some breakfast, okay?
And eat.
Yep, what are you going to say?
Bye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed my activity today. I had fun with everybody. So please subscribe in my channel.
Oh, there you go. Please subscribe. See you on the next one.
See you on the next one. Bye.
Thank you so much for joining us again on Angie's Adventure. She is sure loving these. I hope that your kids are as well. If you have not hit the subscribe button, make sure that you do so. We will continue to post as many of these. And just a reminder for parents, right? If you are a teacher and you don't teach kindergarten, you teach something else, you can still download these activities and update them to whatever subject you teach. So take a look at all of our other videos where we show you how to do that. And if you haven't joined us over on Facebook, definitely join us over on Facebook where you can find tons of free already made activities for all content. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.